And in the banana leaves is crunchy, the texture is perfect.
Can I try it?
It's very well done. Would you like some banana leaves? Is it okay? We're moving already. Thank you.
We're doing it
So
already.
today we're gonna do taste test.
I guess it's
From Bella Luna.
Uh-huh.
So we have a puto. This is a rice cake with a castle with the cheese on the top of it. So here we have it's a pain.
It's a pin.
So
Okay,
this
there
is
you go.
ubi maha.
What about this one?
This is a cake flan.
What about this one?
It's a ubi maha.
I think it's the same thing. That's the bibingka.
It's a bengka Bisaya. It's a bengka Tagalog.
Oh. Yung isa bikot. Pareho kasing purple.
Magkamukha kasi alike. It's a maha and it's a biko.
It's a bikot.
Biko City. Okay, see. I'm gonna open this one, Queenie. Queenie is my camera girl.
Yes, hi.
So today we're gonna do mukbang. Ariane.
That looks so good.
Human.
Oh, human with latte. So obi maha. We have puto. We have
Leche flan.
We have bingka Tagalog.
No,
we
that's
have
Bisaya.
Bisaya na. Siya ka ni
Bibingka
Tagalog.
Bisaya, yeah. This is
Bakit ba
Tagalog.
kailangan kasi may Bisaya Tagalog?
Oh my goodness.
So,
Diversity.
sorry lang. Equality. Biko ube.
Alright.
Let's try this.
Okay.
And
Let's
this is
begin, baby.
human.
The suman with latte.
Let's see.
So first I'm gonna taste is going to be the puto.
Yeah.
The human. Alright, let's taste this puto.
Kailangan nyo pa ng plato? Hindi.
Thank you.
Yan naman ako sa amin nyo. So.
Nice and fluffy.
What can you say? What can you say?
It's really good, girly.
It's good. It's soft.
Uh-huh.
Fluffy.
Yes.
The next is cake flan.
Top mukbang ba to?
Yan, that one. That's really masarap. That's my favorite. I mean, ano, prepare ka dyan?
Nakaka-diabetes to. Nakaka-diabetes to dahil. Masarap siya.
Ibang usapan yun.
In fairness, hindi siya masyadong matamis, pero okay siya. How do I describe this?
How do you describe the ube? Oh no,
In English.
what is this?
Flan.
The flan cake. Flan cake.
Flan cake is good. Texture.
Texture talaga mo. I love it.
Ano to? We need to be very professional on this one. Texture, it has a lot of texture.
The color is so pretty, so flavorful, and the color is so colorful.
Do you share one?
Yes, my dear.
Oh, they love each other.
Ano nga yun?
a lot of texture.
Yes, I'm gonna try the. This is the ubi biko.
But it's good.
It's purple sticky rice cake. Eh! Alain mo.
What is it made of?
This is made of rice. Right?
Rice, yeah, sticky rice. Sticky rice.
Oh, thank you,
Sweet?
madam.
No, it's sweet
Hold on,
rice.
let me just.
Sweet rice. Sticky rice. Yeah.
Jesus Lord, hold on a second. So this is made with sweet sticky rice with a purple coloring.
No, that's not food coloring.
It is a purple coloring. It's a purple yam. I'm sorry very much. Okay, now it's time to taste test.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do this.
Okay, cheers, my friend.
Wait.
I like this one.
Come here, cheers, Ben.
This one is good. Ah, ano daw?
Cheers.
Fine.
Nagsarili.
This one. Very nice flavor.
No, I think the consistency is really good. The consistency
So this
is
is
good.
mukbang.
It's creamy, right?
Actually, yeah.
And you can really taste the coconut milk. It's not too sweet.
Hey.
So I like it.
homemade.
This is legit.
So next is going to be Maha. You ladies, go ahead.
This is a little bit runny.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yun lang.
Ito, jam.
Hi. So next is our Maha.
Ube ma.
Lasang olive oil. Pero masarap siya. It's very healthy.
Again, ang face mo.
Char ulit.
Good for your heart. Good for your heart. How's your heart?
It's beating really faster right now. Bella, if you're watching this, thank you very much. It tastes really good.
Bella. Ay, masarap.
Masarap nga, be.
Masarap to. Kung gusto mo lang mediocre na mahagas, pwede rin.
Kung if you're from Atlanta and you want a mediocre maha, order. PM is Daki. Order kay Benji. So next that we're gonna try is sumain. Okay.
Ano?
Let me take a moment. So I'm gonna try the bibingka Tagalog.
That's Bisaya.
Tangina naman talaga, hindi ko talaga makuha.
So, this is bibingka Bisaya. Matigas.
Matigas na yung malamig na eh. 25 seconds.
mo iwan.
So I don't want to warm this because I'm salivating.
Salivating.
I think I need to hit this. It's really chewy.
Malambot.
But you know what?
But you have to
It
eat
is
it after
Bisaya.
5 seconds.
It is a Bisaya.
Yeah.
Is this made out of rice? Rice is
Rice.
I think this is made of rice. Rice flour.
This is a rice flour.
rice flour.
Bibingka. Seryoso to ah. Nagluluto ako ng bibingka actually. Back in the days. Back in the days. 7 years
Hindi sa
old.
mukha.
Hindi.
English.
I'm cooking.
Agay.
Ano na nosebleed tuloy ako?
He actually lost his train of thought, you guys.
Yeah, honestly.
Back in the
actually,
days.
Back in the days.
Balik tayo.
Now it's the future.
Yeah.
When you were 7 years old,
Well, when I was 7 years old, I used to cook these things.
are you serious?
Yes.
11 years old?
Naniwala naman.
7? She's the one that said
I'm so gullible.
So what do you cook now?
Yo, she said, she's so gullible. Anong gullible bakla? What's gullible? Gullible?
Happy na lang. Ang hirap spelling ng gullible.
I can spell gullible.
Spelling bee.
Gullible.
Oh my God.
Gullible. G-O-L-A-Y-B-O-L. Gullible yan eh.
GUI, right?
It's gullible. No, it's G-O.
L-L-I.
I was like fighting. No, it's not. It's G-A. It's gullible. The next one is the Tagalog bibingka. Oh, I kind of like the consistency and the look of this. It's kind of roughy. Let's see roughy. Oh, let's have half.
It's kind of rapid tulo po ha.
I think the Tagalog will be different.
Oh, this is the Tagalog, right? No, I think this is still the Bisaya.
This part.
It's just ubi flavor.
Oh, I like this. I like
Just
this.
get the No, because I'm already eating this one.
So this is
The Bisaya, but
this is still Bisaya bibingka, but it's an ubi flavor. It's excellent. The taste.
nagpapatakot yung
The taste
And then the leaves
and the
tastes
banana
good as
leaves
well.
is also good.
And then the banana leaves is crunchy.
Yeah,
The texture is
they're
perfect.
Can I try it?
It's very well done. Would you like some banana leaves?
Damn.
So last but not the least, we're gonna try the sumain.
Suman.
Suman in English.
It's long rice.
Gago din.
Elongated rice. It's like
Yan.
bang rice.
Quarantine pa more.
Basically unleavened steamed rice.
What is it?
Huh?
Unleavened.
Unleavened. Steamed.
Unleavened.
Wala siyang levadura,
Walang
wala siyang
11.
yeast,
11.
wala siyang herpes, ganun na lang yun.
11 at 12 at 13.
Kagaguhan natin ngayon.
Okay, sige. It's still ube. Bella, I didn't know that you like purple color, my love.
It's
My
the color
God.
of royalty. Hello.
It's a color of, what is it again? Color of, what is it again?
Royalty.
Sa taas ng yes naman, girly.
Royal orange.
Alam mo,
Hala.
ito ang kulay ng royalty
Oh my
dahil. It has the latte. I think this is Arnebo. Arnebo.
It's the what?
Caramel.
Bakla.
Hawakan mo yan. Caramel. Arnibal.
Kung gusto mo magka-diabetes, mag-caramelize ng Arnibal ka. Hindi siya sweet. That's why she has this.
That's why I like yung ano niya din eh. Yung...
She doesn't make her too sweet kasi alam niya
You know what?
nakakaumay kasi, di ba?
Uy, it is really good.
Very nice.
If you want to order from my friend Bella, the kakanin,
How much is your talent fee dito?
well, I'm just helping the small business.
True.
You know, his friend.
Oh,
Bella.
I'm doing my part already. Sige, tikman niyo.
Thank you very much, Geraldine. I want you not to come to the party anymore. So when we meet, you bring all of
Let's
this.
not see each other for another year.
Yeah,
And
Ger-
so
Thank you very much, my friend. She's the reason why we have this food. Thank you for the sponsorial. Sponsorial. Thank you, Jay. Appreciate it.
Bella, kung nasaan ka man
Spokesperson
ngayon,
na niya si Jana ngayon.
magparamdam ka naman.
Tinawagan.
Tagal-tagal na namin ka lang.
Andiyan na siya sa north.
Dessert mo. Dessert pa rin.
Naiyak sila,
Yan, maganda.
Bella. Naiyak sila sa sarap.
So sa mga, if you guys watching this, pamain lang po. This is $2. Pamain lang po sa bibingka. DM is the key.
Ah, $2 man. $2.50 na ngayon.
250 na ngayon kasi may ano yan, may tubo. People in the Republic of Atlanta, Georgia. Charot. Ayan, Bella, thank you very much. Thank you, Geraldine. It is a good one.
Ito naman, naka
So,
1,000.
so mga, may cut ako dito. You guys, if you, inunahan ko na siya. Hello. Di ba, baka makalimot siya. Thank you guys for watching because we're getting nasty here. Thank you guys, and that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let your friends because we're nuts. I'll see you again in my next video.
I just want